Hi, this is Phil. I want to show you how to create and maintain your templates. There are three different types. There are business templates, there are event templates, and there are page templates. We're looking at the page templates. All three of these have the exact same functionality. You're just storing different types of templates in the specific areas of the site where they belong. So on your page templates, we have a couple different templates already created here. One is your default page template, or it's called default page template, but interestingly, it's not set as the default template right now. Only the facility pages template is. Obviously, you're only going to have one page which is set as the default. So we could go and say, well, we'll mouse over this and we can say, oh, let's change that to the default template. Okay. And then your options change. Now, as long as it's set as the default template, you cannot deactivate the particular template. So your options are to either edit it or copy it. Let's edit this template, and you'll see what's going on under the scene. So we have a one-column section with one module on top. And the reason why you have this basic module on your default page template is the title module is required for every single page that you would build. I can show that to you in a different way, in that if you try and delete this section, it won't let you. The section contains required modules and cannot be removed. So at the very bare minimum, every single page template you create is going to have the title module on it. So we can add as many modules as we want. You have your choice selection as far as all the different modules you can bring it to. It's just like all the modules you can use within building the pages themselves. The difference here is that you're creating a starting point for all those pages to jump off from. Now I'm going to go back to the page templates and we'll look at the other template. And we'll edit the facility pages template. Now in this one, someone has decided that it's going to have the title, obviously, and then it probably is going to have a text gallery module and some PDFs and a form. And these are starting points. These are just suggestions. These are saying this is the way that we really want the facility pages to be built, but it's not locked in, meaning that once you go into a facility page, anything can be rearranged the way you would choose to at that moment. But this is the way that the page was designed by the person who set up the facility pages to begin with. And that's really what templates are all about. It's simply trying to give you a starting point as to know, oh, on this page I need to remember to add this particular module. Well, it's telling you need to add a text gallery module, or reminding you, oh yeah, you need to add a form onto this page. Okay, back in the templates now. There's a few things across the top. You can obviously add a new template, which is simply going to give you, really it's going to give you the same thing as a default page template, because at the very basic it's going to include the title. You can activate and deactivate your templates, so you can choose whether or not you want to see your active or inactive templates, or you can choose all. In this case, you'll see that we have three inactive templates because they're gray. The two active templates are blue, and these are some really catchy names for these templates: new temp, and new template. One other functionality that you have here is that you can edit the default module headings, meaning that on any page template that you would create, all of the modules are by default going to have the headings that you would enter in these links. So maybe sponsors isn't what you want to call this, you want to call it partners. And you could make it so that it would immediately appear that way when you first launch the page. It's all about speeding things up. That's really what templates are here for, is to speed up your page building and to make it more consistent as well. So if you need to create your pages based on templates, go in and create your templates first. That way the templates will appear in the drop-down list on your particular pages as you're creating new ones.